Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a little something different video on my channel, and y'all gonna be surprised. I will be showing y'all my clean girl makeup look. Before this video starts, make sure that y'all subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below and share it with your friends and family. So okay, y'all probably be confused like, Hakima, you don't wear no makeup. Yes, I do not wear no makeup at all, but I am trying to take care of my skin. Like right now I don't have nothing on, there's only a moisturizer on right now. I don't have nothing on my lips because I'm going to show y'all my little routine, my clean girl routine look. Okay, so you know the clean girl aesthetic is going on around YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, literally everywhere. So I want to give y'all my tips of how I get this clean girl look. I guess, I don't know, but I'm gonna be showing y'all. I don't know y'all probably recognize this bag or not, but I will be showing y'all me using Merit Beauty. I would say Merit Beauty is my first makeup product that I ever use. I mean, like, it is a makeup product, but like it's not really like a heavy makeup product. It's really like a light makeup, you know. It's clean, it's vegan, like literally 10 out of 10. So here they are. Here's the product, as you can see. But look at it, look how nice it is, bro. So nice. So here's the one that I got from Merit Beauty. See, like it said, clean, vegan, and gluten free. This is every time I open this up, this gold shiny always get me. But y'all can see it's a mirror right here. And this is a new product, Bronzer Blonde Share. And y'all, this is so nice. Look at that. I had used it to test it out, and like y'all could tell that I used it already. But yeah, that will be using on my face. And I got this one right here, and this is another product that I will be using for my beauty. It is the Brown 1980 Vitamized pomade. Oh yeah, pomade. As you can see the logo. This is the brown one. See that? It's very different. It's not really a dark brown. It's kind of like a grayish, not dark brown, like a dark black. I got like a grayish black, I would say. And like, this is not for Merit Beauty, but the other stuff I got Vaseline and this lip oil. So yeah, pretty much this is like all my clean girl products I will be showing y'all. Oh yeah, and this is how the card that it came in with Merit Beauty. As you can see, this is how you're supposed to put it on the browser. Oh, you can put it on your eyelid. I didn't know that. Well, we might have to do that today. Okay, this camera really don't do it justice when I put it on the makeup, but we're gonna see how it gonna go. But first off, I will be using this first, as you can see. And by the way, I got a mirror right here, so yeah. So I'm just gonna put it on it. So it really blends on my skin very well. Y'all can see some how to do it. So I'm gonna put right here. Y'all can see it. Okay, y'all can see it right here. And I'm gonna put my forehead. Wow, y'all can see it. Okay, I'm a little bit worried. I'm gonna put my nose on. So yeah, that one. Then I will start blending in. Oh yeah, and by the way, that y'all can blend in with your fingertips, but I like it using the brush. This is not for Merit Beauty. This is like a regular brush that I have. So I'm gonna like start doing it. As y'all can see, this how it look like. Okay. And the crazy thing about this product is literally blend in on my skin, which I was very shocked about. And I really like this bronze. Am I saying what? Like, I am not a makeup beauty. I am not a beauty girl at all. So I don't know if I am saying the name right. So here's another step. Y'all saw me color my eyelash up, which is always done. I really love this. Oh my gosh, I really love this eye color thing. So it make my eyelash so straight up and look so good. So right now I will be using the Brown 1980. Every time I open it. Anyway, it's like this pretty much, okay? You can see just like that. But I will put on it. See, like, it's not black. Like, I don't know what color it is, but it really blend in my eyebrows. Y'all, look at that. Do y'all see the difference? Do y'all see the difference of my eyebrows? Like, so dang crazy, y'all. Y'all, look at my skin. It's glowy. It gives this natural glow, and it said that it will give you this natural glow on your skin, and it give like a natural, like a sunlight here on your face. Highlight. Like, I am not wearing a highlight, y'all. It's a bronzer. Like, what the heck? So this is the last step of my clean up makeup look. I got this lip oil from Walmart. I said flavor is raspberry peach. As you can see, this is how it look like. Okay. So yeah, I love this lip oil. Look at this. Y'all see my lip? So good. And it gives this like a pink tan, I would say. Y'all see that? Perfect. This is not from Mad Beauty. Like I say, some products from Mad Beauty, but this is not from Mad Beauty. Look at this. Just giving a clean good look. I haven't got ready like this in so long, y'all. I've been busy. Y'all can see my before, and then this is after. Crazy, okay? But I would say this is my first time ever using Mad Beauty, and I am in love, like, for the first time in forever. Literally the first time ever using Mad Beauty. Look at this. Tell me y'all don't want this. I literally, look at my skin. I am not wearing no foundation at all. It literally cover up my tiny little bumps on me and make my skin look so clear, glowy. Like, I'm not wearing no highlight. I'm wearing this. Like, it's so crazy, y'all. literally. And my eyebrows, whoa. What the heck? Kind of scary. This Mare Beauty makeup bag is so good. It's so cute, and I love the color a lot. I just tired about this. I put on me to go easy. But listen to this, y'all. Listen to this. If y'all want this center bag from Mare Beauty, this center bag comes with every first order. Do your first purchase from Mare Beauty, y'all can get this for free. This free makeup bag, easy to go with. If you hanging out, going downtown, take an Instagram picture, video, it is easy to go. And give me, I love this color a lot too. And the fabric is so smooth and nice, and this really do give me a fall color, like so cute, so fine, and I love this. Like, baby, best one. Oh, happy fall, by the way, y'all. Happy fall. And if y'all want the product that I use for Mare Beauty, y'all can check out my description down below. I will be having the links. I will be having the links down below in my description, and y'all can get the product that I got and use on my face from Mare Beauty. And y'all can check out my discount code in the description down below. Yes, y'all heard that. Okay, so my camera literally caught off on me when I'm talking to y'all. Like, it literally caught off on me. Like, it didn't give me no warning at all. But I just want to say thank y'all all so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful day. And make sure that y'all, and yeah, y'all can check out my discount code. It will be in the description too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya. Mwah.